my dudes, it is good to see you. I've got a few videos up about where I've been, but long story short, I was in the hospital, so then I had to break up with my ex of 6 years.
I don't know what the fuck.
I also wanted to say a very sincere thank you from the bottom of my heart for all of the kindness, compassion, and just patience you guys have given me in the past few months. Today I restocked most everything. True Charms, cords, and hoodies are all on pre-order because we need extra processing times for those. I was honestly too upset to mention this when it happened. My uncle died the day I was discharged from the hospital. We used to write letters back and forth, we were pretty close. And I opened the last letter that he sent me whenever I was out of the hospital. But that was such an important message to share with you guys today as we go into 2025. Sometimes when life knocks us off our feet, all we really can do is bark back at the world. It's good to be back.